classic cocktail, the Aviation. All right, we don't do a whole lot of classic stuff here except when mixologists come in, but let's try this out. Okay, so we hit it with a little bit of gin. Okay, come behind that gin with some maraschino liqueur. Okay, followed up with some fresh squeezed lemon juice. Ooh, yes. All right, and then we follow that up with some Creme de violette. Okay, my Italian's a little off. All right, beautiful. Shake. Oh, that was French. Okay, wrong language. All right, shake, and then we pour in, and you should get a nice little purple mix depending on what proportions you use. Okay, and now we get in there with a nice little lemon zest. Beautiful. All right. Garnish the glass, and there you have it, homeboy. The Aviation. All right. Take my glass up. Take a little sip. I feel classy as hell. Okay. Nice little, beautiful. This drink been around a long time, and it's lots of fun. It's delicious. Good to go. Homeboy, you look classy as hell.